Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Bluevine business checking account. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you the complete steps to create your Bluevine business checking account. First, go to the Bluevine website and fill in all the necessary details. Once done, click Get Started to move to the next step. Next, you'll be redirected to a page where you need to provide information about yourself and your business. Complete all required verifications, including phone number verification, to ensure your account can be successfully opened. After that, check your email inbox for a message from Bluevine and verify your email address. Now, you'll need to choose a plan that fits your business needs. Standard plan, $0 monthly fee. Plus plan, $30 to $50 monthly fee. Premier plan, $95 to $0 monthly fee. Select the plan wisely, depending on how you plan to use your business checking account. Next, confirm your shipping address, where your debit card will be sent. This could be your home or business address. Bluevine will then ask you questions to get to know your business, such as how you plan to use your account. You'll choose whether it will be a primary account, secondary account, or a secondary account for other purchases. Once all the details are completed, connect your internal bank account as required. Finally, you'll be redirected to your Bluevine dashboard, and your business checking account is now ready to use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.